must be able to talk and write about mathematics. Perhaps your experience with mathematics so far has mostly involved finding answers to problems. As we embark towards more advanced and abstract mathematics, writing will play a more prominent role in the mathematical process. Communication in mathematics requires more precision than many other subjects, and thus we should take a moment here to consider the basic building blocks, mathematical statements. Hey everyone, real quick, I just want to mention that this video is a part of a whole course that I made. You can find a link to this entire course in the description below, and make sure to click on that subscribe button. What is a mathematical statement? Well, a statement is any declarative sentence which is either true or false. For example, the following sentence is a statement. I have blue hair. That was a statement. It's not a true statement, but it's still a statement. Well, isn't everything we say either true or false? Wouldn't that mean every single arrangement of words is a statement? Well, no. Here's an example of something that is not a statement. Wow. That's not a statement. The sentence wow is neither true nor false. Here's another example of something that's not a statement. This sentence is false. Now you might have to think a little more with this one. If that sentence were a statement, then it's either true or false. If it were true, then that would mean that the sentence is in fact false, which is contradictory. If the statement were to be false, then that would mean that the opposite would be true, meaning that the sentence would be true, which is again contradictory. So we just kind of ignore sentences like these. In discrete math, we want to focus on statements because they provide meaning and substance. Anyways, thanks everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.